Hope Uzodimma finally win Imo State election. As we dey talk that one, no, some policemen don cry come outside though. They said one is police wey they call kill and bury. Almost seen them. Say the guy don enter there where they protect the police unit, come collect their magazine. Where they tell they shoot for there, or no be small thing. As we dey talk that one, they say that the Labour Party representative he collect beating for inside collection center where APC gather am, they give am woto. No be small thing, no. Na so Imo State election Congo after set and done. Now who can win? Hope Uzodimma. We will go look into the matter and how it take happen. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas GC. Today na the first time we dey come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. Ebeni Kwezioku. And if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, no, may you quickly do so. And also make sure say you dey follow our Facebook page as it dey hot. Now so we dey bring out Decl. Okay, now let's go and look into the matter we will get for hand today. And they said that the governor of Imo State will be Hope Uzodimma remain the governor as he win everybody wey they drag with am. Remember say we tell una say this result e don tey wey they keep am down. They wait for this day may they bring am come outside come give una. But however, let us still look into other matter we will get for hand. As the thing they go on, some policemen also cry come outside say other police can't disarm them. As the thing they go on, no be that one. They say Labour Party a representative also collect beating for inside collection center. So guys, let's play this video. May you watch the moment where this policemen they cry come outside of waiting happen.
I came with them. Oyi. I said Chinas and Waneri was inside armor tank. Sent kill and bury with his men to come here and destroy this place. But because we can be able to uphold them.
The person that brought it to
Chisomo Juku. Was the person that brought them in.
He came here first and made a call. So there was a man
this magazine was with kill and bury as it stands. So look at it. They took it.
Magazine.
Kill and bury is an inspector of police.
My
brother is an inspector of police.
I'm the commander of this team.
Okay.
The only problem we have in this country, recruiting illiterates in the system.
What's your name?
This is the national. ASC Polycarp Egronia is my name. So yeah, we are doing a national job. Those people that came here are police people.
They came here and collected my magazine.
Me, the police are not supposed to work for anybody because this is election. Do you understand? So what annoyed me so much is how a superior officer of Nigeria.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, no be small thing as this one they go on. Let us still jump into the next matter. Go bring you how they take give this Labour Party representative woto for inside where APC people they give them back to back. Now this things now happen yesterday or they come for the next. But remember say we update you yesterday. Tell you waiting the Labour Party candidate, which is the one where they call Ago Tahaka. They talk say in they plead to Buhari. What be the name again? Tulumbu, yeah, Tulumbu, making give am fair election. Now we still come outside and tell them say most of them they pretend say this country say things they work and everything they okay. For our crow eyes, P2B they do a maga say go court. They go court finish, wetin can happen. You still get the math. They come outside, they tell people say Tulumbu will give you people fair election. Even yourself, they don't even put you for second. Now third, now they carry you go drop you. We still talk am here yesterday. We will play the video for Namo and Asin.
You feel doing that?
I feel great. I have great hopes for our democracy. I believe that Mr. President intends to give us a free and fair election.
Okay. What is your opinion about the turnout? Because what's become manifest is that, what would you put it down to voter apathy? What's happened? Why do you think that not many people are out and about, trying to do the same thing?
No, a lot of people will come. Even in my own family, brothers are still coming. So a lot of people are going to still come.
All right. Do you feel safe? And of course, the voters. Do you think the voters feel safe to come out and vote? Because that could be the reason why.
Yeah, at first they were feeling threatened by the unusual, security movement, presence of armored personnel carriers and so on, moving everywhere. Number of soldiers. I've never seen such number of soldiers and policemen before in our vicinity. So, but we've tried to reassure them that they're here for their own protection. They're here to protect the process. So they'll be coming out.
So we've heard some report that there might be diversion of some electoral material in the Owerri North. Have you heard about this?
Yeah, we've heard. We also heard in Olo that they moved the Oso electoral materials. They moved it to a particular traditional ruler's house. We're still trying to verify those the information. And also, we hear that they are cluster voting. So all these things, we need to verify them before we go public.
Well, what are your major concerns?
Well, going forward, my major concern is that we still believe that their plan, like we've been shouting in the media all this while, there have so many thugs camped in so many hotels. We've alerted the security agencies. They have not taken any action, and we think that their plan is to hijack this thing before the collation centers, and then try to insert all the results we hear that they have written.
So, generally, what's your impression about the conduct of INEC and what's going on so far?
Well, INEC, they are doing very well so far. The INEC will be planning their own. The bandits will be planning their own. So let's see how it works.
Do you have confidence in INEC?
Yeah, my people. Oga, congratulations. They don't give you the free and fair election. We still tell that yesterday, say, forget this thing where these people they do. Any state where APC don't enter, APC will never lose that state again. It take the mercy of God for you people to come outside from this hand one a day. But however, I want to take this opportunity to go congratulate all the whole people who snatch ballot box and all the whole people who destroy all the whole people who do what they do yesterday. The money, even the policemen as well, the money where they give una, Mona make sure say that money una go eat them to the next 4 years. Mona no still those police, Mona no still come for road again, come they collect money from drivers. Wanna make sure say wanna eat that money, use and train your children, and also give yourself a good life till next 4 years. You one where they send, may you go for street, go they do 1 or 2 things. May they take win. Make sure say you better your life. You buy the best car where you go fit drive. Now my message to you people, and as well, let me show you this video of how APC take beat this Labour Party representative for inside hall. They even carry him go outside as they hall. Okay, let's play the video for you to watch. Yeah, welcome back my people. All this information will the pass and waiting happen, and end of the day, Governor Uzodimma still remain the governor of Imo State. Now we say Mokon bring and give on this morning. Mona know waiting they happen for inside Imo State, because we'll start from the beginning to update to people they come. So this is the result. Say Uzodimma is winning for Imo State. So hopefully he remained the governor for Imo State. So my people, now so we see amo. I beg me still share this information. More other people know waiting they go on. And as well, leave your own opinion in the comment section. And don't forget to follow this page. Really very important. Okay, we will see you for next update.